In this tutorial, I show you how to speed up or slow down the video. Firstly, drag and drop video to timeline, then click the video, then right click and select speed and duration. At here speed you can increase or decrease. If we increase speed just 200 and OK, the video is speed up. Let's speed up more, just 400, enter. Okay, and one more method of doing this. Click here ripple edit tool, hold right stretch tool, then click and stretch. It will slow down up to 80% and space. It's slow down. It's done.